What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in, guys. It is Friday. I missed you guys on yesterday, had some obligations and didn't get back around to recording. But nevertheless, as we go into a 3-day weekend, I want to give you some guidance to end out the day that will lead you into next week, guys, regarding Tesla. Okay, do me a favor. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, we getting right to it today. I'm gonna bring out the charts momentarily just to make sure I teach you as well as show you what is going on. Okay, all right, take your eyes to the fact that I am operating surgically off the 15-minute time frame. This is real time right now, so you guys can again chart this out for yourself. All right, but check this out. Next target of resistance is going to be this high right here, and I'm going to put that around Tesla 180. Okay, I want you to see we came down. Once the 13 crossed over, we've been going down, but guess where we went down to? Remember this level I told you guys? Support was 173. Okay, support was 173. Let me make sure you guys see that clearly. Support was 173. Okay, so we buy calls at support. All right, that's what we do. We put our stop loss right underneath just in case it don't go our way. Then the next level it was going to go to was, guess what, guys? 178. Okay, now as you can currently see, we're sitting at 179.49. So the next stop is our target of 180. We got to clear that hurdle. And then check this out, guys. We got a nice little gap right here. I'm just going to call that range 185. I want you guys to see how you have to try to attack these levels. Okay, but right now we have done a good job bouncing off of 173 and then 178, and now we are going to battle with this 180 range. Okay, but listen, what I want you guys to see, let me clean this up. Take a picture of this, watch this 2 times. I want to clean this up really quickly because I need you guys to see, all right, how this from a pattern recognition perspective may play out. Okay, so now that we have crossed, so we came and now we crossed right here, so now this stocks is moving back to the upside. We may hit resistance and trade sideways. You know what I'm saying? We may even come back to 178, you know, just to again retest where we bounced from. But again, as we make and get more momentum, guys, that should lead us back to 180. And when we can clear that, that's going to open the door for the gap fill right here. Okay, so again, guys, do me a favor, give yourself at least 1 to 2 weeks in terms of your expiration for this to play out. Not that it will take that long, but you always got to deal with the different gyrations of the market, different news and unforeseen events that may come out that you guys are not always prepared for. None of us are. Okay, but I want you guys to understand, trust the process. We talked about 178, we talked about 173. Those were 2 areas to build your position out at. This is why you also want to make sure you're not loading in too heavy at the higher target 178, because those of us that got in at 173, we're up big just sitting right here. If I didn't even tell you guys nothing about 192, 180, 185, you're up big just sitting right here. So this is the power of that when done right. Okay, however, because we have bullish momentum overall, if we can dig ourselves out of this area and make our way back to the upside, clearing key hurdles like 180, that's going to open the door for 185, and that's going to open the door to get us back to 189, which would take us to 192. Then the play is over and done with. But listen, you have to be ready to adjust and pivot. If some news come down, you might have to say, man, that put a nail in the coffin. Okay, our thesis, our strategy, our thoughts around where this could go, boom. Elon Musk said this. Tesla sales went down. Okay, then if we lose 173, then we are aborting the play, okay? But 173 is your line in the sand, okay, that I want you guys to understand where you get in at, how you build your play out. 180 is also a level you can, 178 is a level you can add to your play en route to it recapturing 180, 185, 189. If we get through those three levels, that opens the door for 192. Listen, guys, again, everything comes down to strategy and execution and how well you manage your risk, okay? Those that put a premium on how well they do those things are going to see the greatest result, okay? But listen, stick with the process, okay? Put in the time to learn these nuances, all right? While many people seen the sell-off yesterday, you could have thought, oh man, it's not going to bounce off 173. Again, Tesla is up over 3% today at the time of this recording. It can finish up higher than this, okay? But my point is, just that alone is a huge play. What you choose to do with it is up to you, okay? Remember this, you are the CEO of your portfolio. I often say see profit, take profit. You guys can, again, now that you know the levels, now that you see the range, you see that 173 held. So now you know, even if you don't listen to me, you know, okay, that's the line in the sand coach was telling us about. This is why he was saying when Tesla was way at 189, he said it was going to come way to 173 when nobody didn't think that was going to happen. Everything he said has happened to a T. What am I going to do in terms of my exit strategy, my profit taking strategy? Guys, you don't have to hold to 192. It might not get there. That's just a target for us to shoot for. But sometimes when they take it down and take some of the momentum out, the next high might be 180. You have to assess what you see. The next high might be 185. You have to assess what you see. Long term, absolutely. I'm talking 1 to 2 weeks, but longer term, absolutely. If you guys are putting this out a year, then yeah, smooth selling to those levels. But if it's a more shorter term time frame, there's a lot that can happen that's out of your control and my control. So as I often say, give yourself grace, but run your race at your pace and see profit, take profit on your journey, man. Listen, I just want to hop on here and pop at you guys really quickly, show you that lesson. Hopefully you guys can use it to your advantage and have some takeaways associated with it. But nevertheless, I want to make sure you guys understand the importance of knowing your levels, knowing that stocks retrace, and then stocks can then presume higher. All right, it's part of the game. It's called a cycle. Let plays cycle through and run their course. All right, listen, guys, way to execute this week. We got a 3-day weekend, so the market will be closed on Monday. So the money team, your plays will come out Tuesday morning instead of Monday morning, just because we got a 4-day week. Okay, so please make note of that. Please don't freak out if you don't hear something or receive something on Monday. We have a 3-day weekend. The markets will be closed, and so we will be shutting down shop as well. Outside of recording and teaching, market won't be open. So Tuesday we'll be back to getting to the money. We'll be back in our bag, and I'm looking forward to it. Listen, guys, just wanted to tap in with you guys and give a little TA in real time while market is open, and showing you how our plays have just executed to a T the way we called out. Now we're seeing how the remainder of it pans out. With that being said, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.